Welcome. In front of me I have Insta360 One Air Twin Edition camera, and I'm going to show you how you can turn on and off both indicators, this one and also this one. So at the first we have to turn on the screen, so click at this button right here. Right now we have to open the quick menu from the upper section, and right now we have to tap right here and this icon. And here we get the notifications that the front and the rear indicators are turned off. And if you want to turn it on back, just click it one more time. And as you can see right now, it's working. So that's how it looks. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments, and subscribe to our channel. See ya!